The Hadley Institute for the Blind and Visually Impaired presents iFocus, tips on using the vision accessibility features in iOS. In today's installment, we'll look at exploring the BARD mobile app. Hello, my name is Douglas Walker. You know, I am a huge fan of the BARD mobile app. I tell you, I really do use the BARD mobile app every single day. It's one of my favorite apps, and I can't wait to share it with you today. So let's jump right in and get started. Okay, our BARD mobile app is already open for us, and we're currently in our bookshelf tab here. Now, when our BARD app launches for the first time, we're prompted to enter our username and password. And after we enter our username and password, hey, we're good to go and ready to start downloading content. Okay, today we're simply going to do an app overview to get totally familiar with our BARD mobile app. Now, we have 4 tabs along the bottom edge of our screen, and activating any of our tabs totally changes our screen's layout. It's like opening up a completely new page, or in our case, a whole new screen for us here. Okay, just a heads up, we actually have a separate iFocus video that focuses on each one of our tabs here. But in today's video, we're just going to start by simply exploring our interface in each one of our tabs here. So we'll begin here with our bookshelf tab, and of course, our bookshelf tab is right here in the bottom left corner of our screen. So we'll go ahead and just touch there to orient ourselves to our tabs. So we'll go ahead and just touch here in the bottom left-hand corner.
Selected Bookshelf tab 1 of 4.
Yeah, we heard VoiceOver, of course, announce that our bookshelf tab is currently selected, so we know for sure that our bookshelf screen is now visible for us. Now, our bookshelf, of course, is where all of our downloaded books are going to be stored. And, we can think of it just like a bookshelf in our home where we keep all of our books and all of our magazines. And so that's pretty great for us there. Now, remember, we mentioned earlier that we have iFocus videos that describes how to use each one of our tabs, and we just so happen to have an iFocus video called Exploring the BARD Bookshelf. So you just might want to check out that video as well. Remember, today is all about just exploring our BARD interface here. So how about we just quickly right-click through our tabs here, and we'll go ahead and just right-click.
Get Books tab 2 of 4.
Okay, and here is our Get Books tab, and this is where we'll go to download all of our BARD books and magazines. Now, I tell you, I spend a lot of time here. Okay, another plug here. We have, of course, an iFocus video called Downloading BARD Books and Magazines. So, hey, there's another iFocus video that you're really going to want to check out as well. All right, so let's go ahead and just right-click here, and we'll just right-click.
Settings tab 3 of 4.
Okay, and here is our Settings tab, of course, and I tell you, we have been given a lot of great settings here that really help to personalize our BARD app so that it works just right for us. Now, again, who would have thought it, right? We have an iFocus video called Exploring the BARD Settings, and I tell you, we really do have some great settings here. Okay, we'll just right-click to our 4th and last tab here. So we'll just right-click.
Now Reading tab 4 of 4.
Great, and here is our Now Reading tab. And of course, activating our Now Reading tab will open our BARD book player, and it'll take us right back to the last book that we were listening to. You know, this is really a great feature because it gives us the ability to move or navigate to any of our different tabs and then be able to quickly go back to our player interface. which is super nice for us. Okay, no surprises here, right? We have an iFocus video called Exploring the BARD Book Player, so we can learn how to get the most out of all of our book player tools there. All right, so that pretty much covers our BARD mobile app interface here. Remember, we have 4 more iFocus videos in our BARD mobile app series where we can learn how to navigate our bookshelf, download books and magazines, of course, adjust all of our user settings, and of course, use our BARD book player interface. And hey, we can listen to all of our great BARD content right there. I tell you, we really do love our BARD mobile app. Again, my name is Douglas Walker. Take care, and I'll see you next time. For more from the iFocus series, including many other topics of interest to individuals with vision loss, visit the Videos at Hadley page on the Hadley Institute for the Blind and Visually Impaired website at www.hadley.edu.